everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would make some mince pies. Now, I am not a baker. In fact, I'm so terrible at baking, it's unbelievable. Exhibit A, I went to get all the stuff out to make said mince pies and realised I don't even own a rolling pin. Who doesn't own a rolling pin? I swear I used to. So I've had to improvise. So my rolling pin today will be this bottle of mulberry punch, which I believe is over a year old, but still in date. So we will be consuming this over Christmas this year. So yeah, this is my rolling pin. This isn't just another drink with Lynn's video. Because I'm so terrible at baking, that was very forceful. Because I'm so awful at baking as well, don't know how to make pastry, and also trying to make vegan pastry, I just don't imagine being that fun. So I have cheated and I bought some Just Roll pastry sheets. Come on guys, give me a break. I've never done this before. I have never made mince pies before. I'm 33 years old. I feel like, Mum, what were you doing with my childhood? No, we must have made mince pies when I was a kid. Right, anyway, to start with, I don't know if I need to do this. Also, I'm sitting down for this video. I might stand up in a little while. I've got my little festive apron. If I stand up, you can see it. Look how cute this is. This was from Cath Kitson a few years ago. And also my Christmas jumper. I can't believe it's about 3 days. What day is it today? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, 3 days and today. So 3 and a bit until Christmas. That's insane. How did that even happen? Right, I'm just gonna slightly grease this tray. Look, I'm baking. The fact that this impresses me bodes well for this video. It's very weird cooking on this side of my oven. I normally cook where you are, but the view of the front door with my mountain of coats attached to it wasn't exactly the best backdrop I could have hoped for. My Christmas wreath is still standing. It didn't just spontaneously fall off the wall, which is good. Tray buttered. Okay, don't need that anymore. Let's pop that to one side. Right, I do think I need flour. It's my baking cupboard. Okay. Make it snow. Okay. I'm a little bit nervous. And all I've got to do is roll out some pastry. Oh, I haven't preheated the oven. This is going well. I don't know if you guys can hear the oven, but the oven is on. Right. Ooh. Oh, I didn't need to do flour. It's got like paper on it. And I don't think I even really... Why is it cracking? I am going to move paper. Okay, it's pretty much like... It's pretty rolled. But I feel like it's a little bit chilly. This bit fell off. Oh god, guys, I cannot wait for Christmas now. I'm getting really excited and I'm gonna go and do my Christmas food shop. My mum is going today. She's decided that she's going to do, because we're both working on Christmas Day, which I'm very happy about, don't feel sorry for me. I'm actually gonna roll all of this and make it warm. See? Makes it more interesting. Yeah, so because we're both working on Christmas Day, my mum finishes about lunchtime, I finish at 5. She didn't really want to do a dinner. It's just me and her at Christmas, as always. And she didn't really want to cook a dinner because it was so late. Personally, I think that's rubbish. She has all afternoon to cook me dinner. But I know she worries about doing like a vegan roast. She's still learning, bless her. So this morning I basically screenshotted all the vegan food from Instagram M&S have got some really good choices this year. I'm going to go to Morrison's and pick up some bits that I know they do. They do pigs in blankets. Like, who doesn't love a pig in blanket? That is one thing I miss actually at Christmas. Pigs in blankets. So yeah, I'm going to try and get those. And yeah, we're having a Christmas roast, like a Christmas dinner on Christmas Day. So that'll be nice. I'm really excited. I'm more excited about work, to be honest. Working on Christmas Day is going to be so fun. Everyone's going to be so nice. Well, I hope. I don't think a black jumper was really the best choice. Right. Yeah. This is fun. I like this. Who's enjoying this? Right. Let's roll out. Oh, I need to save. So I need to save some for the filling, don't I? No, not for the filling, for the lid. That's cool. Right. Trusty rolling pin. Who doesn't own a rolling pin? Hands up, or let me know in the comments below if you don't own a rolling pin. Oh, it's hard to do actually. I think I need some more flour. Put it on there as well. That's fun. That's fun. Right, might have to stand up. It would be great if I could make mince pie sitting down, but I don't think I can. Oh yeah, aren't you meant to like dust the rolling pin? Right, I don't want it too thin. I probably want it like thin enough. Does that make sense? Christmas, the snow. I just watched this video on YouTube and they were singing that song and it's stuck in my head. Right, do we think this is thin enough? I don't think I want to be going much thinner than that. Oh, right. Okay, I'm good with that for first round. Right, now, do I go cloud or star? Although I've got mini stars for the lids. I think cloud, personally. Is there a certain way up that these work? Oh my god, seriously, those. Right, let's go. Where's my tray? There's my tray. Yay! I mean, they're going to be absolutely tiny. Maybe I should just cut them. Oh, I've got an itch on my face. Ah! Okay. Maybe I could like, yeah, just stretch it out a little bit. This is why I could never own my own bakery. Do you know what? These are just going to be rustic. They're not going to be perfect, but I'm sure they're like, do things grow or shrink when they're baked? It's not very pliable, is it? Oh, I'm really worried now. No, it's going to be fine. Stretch that one out a bit as well. Right. I'm going to time lapse me doing this. See you in a sec. Right. That's that done. I got a worried about my lids, so I'm going to cut the lids out and then see how much pastry I've got left to see if I can make like another one or two. I really don't want to run out of bases, of lids even. I think I'm going to have more than enough. I think it's going to be fine, but you never know. Baby stars! Oh, these are gonna be so cute. Right, I need 9 stars, so. Oh my goodness, right, okay. My fat little fingers won't actually fit in the star to get them out. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Should I try a slightly bigger one? Should we have like a mixture of large and small? Oh yeah, I think the large ones are a bit nicer actually. Just trying to get them all to like line up so that I know there's enough. I'd quite like to make 10, not 9. I prefer like a nice even number. Okay, best Christmas I ever had. I once had 2 Christmases in one year. That was quite fun. So I was living abroad and I had some holiday in November and I didn't think I was going to be home for Christmas. So, my mum did me a big Christmas day. She put all the decorations up, the tree. We did all the presents and everything in like, I think it was like around the 20th of November. We had Christmas dinner. It was it was Christmas Day. It felt really Christmassy and it was just lovely. And then I went back to where I was living and decided that I wanted to be at home. So I moved back and I was home by Christmas. So I ended up having Christmas Day again. I don't think I got twice the presents though. I think I got a few more, but yeah. That was a pretty good Christmas. Right, 9. Okay, I can definitely get another. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Ah! Right. 10, yeah. I mean, I might as well just use up all the pastry. Can I eat this? Did you used to eat raw pastry when you were a kid? Is that a thing? I guess, yeah, because that used to have real butter in it as well, so raw dairy. Blech. But do you know what I really want to watch? Apart from Gilmore Girls. It's a Wonderful Life. I have never seen It's a Wonderful Life. I'm a bit scared. I think it's gonna like be the saddest film. It'll just make me cry. But I feel like it's a film that I really should see. Ooh, that's a bit of a sticky one. I don't know how that's gonna go. There we go. Right. Boom. Okay, right. Let's get a spoon and get some mincemeat in. Should I eat some more of this pastry? I'm so hungry. Don't eat raw pastry, kids. Yeah, by the way, I've just used the Asda Extra Special mincemeat, if anyone was wondering. I don't know how much filling to put in, and some of them look a little bit flat, so the flatter ones I've not filled too much, and I think the flatter ones are where the baby stars are going to go. So let's just pop the stars on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That's meant to like keep the filling in. Oh, that one's way too full. Never. a star short. And then, oh, do you know what? That's how I'm rolling that one out. Okay, yeah, what more? Right. These look adorable. I'm gonna come grab you and show you. And then we're gonna put them in the oven. So I'm just going to, I've put half of them in this dish for me, and then these ones I'm gonna drop off and give to my mama. I'm just gonna decorate them a little bit, so just a sprinkle of icing sugar, a teeny bit of cinnamon. There we have it. My perfectly imperfect vegan mince pies. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you give mince pies or any sort of Christmas baking a go, just remember it's the doing it that counts. They don't have to be perfect, and if there's anything that my 12 days of Vlogmas has taught anyone, especially myself, it's that it's about real life and it's not about perfection. And you know what? These are pretty perfect to me because I made them, and yeah, I'm super happy with them. So I'm going to go and enjoy one of these on the sofa with a cup of tea. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and please click the thumbs up button at the bottom of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. See you again soon.